If the cost of 7 books is rupees 70, find first one the cost of 10 books. Second one, number of books we get for rupees 200. First one, the cost of 10 books. Given cost of 7 books is equal to rupees 70. Let the cost of 10 books is equal to rupees X. Now, ratio of books is equal to 7:10, or we can write it as 7/10. Ratio of their cost is equal to 70:X, or we can write it as 70/X. Number of books and their cost are in direct proportion. That is, if the number of books increases, then the cost will increase. If the number of books decreases, then the cost will decrease. As they are in direct proportion, ratio of books is equal to ratio of their cost. Substitute the values of ratio of books and ratio of their cost in this formula. Then 7/10 will be equal to 70/X. Cross multiply. 7 into X will be equal to 70 into 10. To find X, we have to transpose 7 from LHS to RHS. 7 is the multiplier. When transposed, it becomes divisor. So X is equal to 70 into 10 is 700 by 7. Let us simplify this in the rough work. Common factor of 700 and 7 is 7. Divide both of them with common factor. When we divide 700 with 7, we get 100. When we divide 7 with 7, we get 1. The values left are 100 by 1, which is equal to 100. So X is equal to rupees 100. Cost of 10 books is equal to rupees 100. Next one, number of books we get for rupees 200. Given cost of 7 books is equal to rupees 70. That is, the number of books we get for rupees 70 is equal to 7. Let the number of books we get for rupees 200 is equal to A. Ratio of books is equal to 7:A, or we can write it as 7/A. Ratio of their cost is equal to 70:200, or we can write it as 70/200. Let us simplify this in the rough work. In the numerator, there is 0 in 1th place. In the denominator, there are zeros in 1th and 10th place. Strike off the 0 in 1th place in the numerator and in the denominator. The values left are 7/20. So, ratio of their cost is equal to 7/20. Number of books and their cost are in direct proportion. That is, if the number of books increases, their cost will increase. If the number of books decreases, their cost will decrease. So, ratio of the books will be equal to ratio of their cost. Substitute the values of ratio of books and ratio of their cost in this formula. Then 7/A is equal to 7/20. Cross multiply. 7 into A will be equal to 20 into 7. To find A, we have to transpose 7 from LHS to RHS. 7 is the multiplier. When transposed, it becomes divisor. So A is equal to 20 into 7 by 7. Let us simplify this in the rough work. Common factor of 7 and 7 is 7. Divide both of them with common factor. When we divide 7 with 7, we get 1. When we divide 7 with 7, we get 1. The values left are 20 into 1 by 1, which is equal to 20. So A is equal to 20 books. Number of books we get for rupees 200 is equal to 20.